Hi everyone, welcome back. As of now, we have successfully installed Git and created an account on GitHub application. For learning the Git commands, let's create a new project in Eclipse. In case you want to use the existing project, you can use that as well. To create a new project, I'll click on File, click on New, and now I'll click on Other option. Here I'll search for the Maven. Now I'll select Maven project and click on Next button. I want to create a simple project, so I'll select the checkbox create a simple project that will skip the archetype selection. Now I'll click on the next button again. So let me specify the group ID com.test. Artifact ID is nothing, the name of the project. So I'll provide the project name GitHub demo. So I'll say GitHub demo. Now I'll click on the finish button. So here you can notice this project is being created. Alright, so now the GitHub demo project is created successfully. Let me open this. So you can notice this project has two main packages. One is a src main Java, second is a src test Java. As of now, let's not add any file in this project. We will be adding the new files in the next videos where we will learn how to push the code on the GitHub repository. That's all for this video. Let's meet in the next video to learn about the Git workflow. See you in the next video.